from Arts Technical Campus in MBA Department, class Ahmedabad. Today we will discuss the fourth unit. Subject name is Advanced Financial Management and unit number 4 Working Capital Management. Show the working capital management in this unit. Working capital. Show the working capital and management. So first of all, the meaning. Working capital management meaning. Departmentations of level of current asset working. Departmentations of level. Management for departmentations. Administrations management, HR management, financial management, for example, blah blah blah, this management. And departmentations of level current asset. First one is current asset. Current asset. Current asset after working capital and financing by bank, cash and liquidity management. Aspect of cash management, motives for holding cash and marketable security cash management, model, strategic for managing surplus funds, credit management, objectives of credit policies, control and collections of account receivable, rates of factoring in receivable management. This is the level of management. Which is our level of management? Show the level of management. Current asset management, working capital, cash and liquidity management, aspect of cash management and motive for holding cash management, marketing table security, cash management models, strategic managing. This is the type of management. Okay. Next one is definitions of working capital. So the definitions of working capital. Show the definitions of working capital. Definitions of working capital. Working capital means is the excess of current assets. Working capital means is the excess of current asset over current liability. Working capital means is the excess of current asset over the current liability. This is the definitions of working capital. And next one is show the working capital formulas. Circulations of system of working capital. Show the circulations of system of working capital. Circulation. Show the circulation system of working capital. System of working capital. This is the cash. Show the cash. This is the circulations of working capital. Show the cash. Issue of shares. First one is issue of shares. Issue of shares. Second one, borrowing. And third one, fund from operations. Fund from operations. This is the third one, fund from operation. And next step is show the next step. Tax. First of all, tax. Paid the tax. Cash paid the tax. And this is the going out. This is the item is going out. Interest. This is direct interest and indirect interest. Third one, dividend. This is the going out. And next one is cash. First one is Fixed asset. Show the fixed asset. Creditor for goods. Creditors. Creditors for goods. Creditor for goods and debtors for goods. This side creditor for goods and this side debtors for goods. Show the debtors for goods. Show the debtors for goods. Material. This material. Material. Creditor for goods. In this next side the material. Next wages. Wages. Next expenses. Expenses and next finishing good. Finishing goods. This is the circulation system of working capital. Show the circulation system of working capital. This is available in cash. Cash is issue shares. Okay, issue of shares. And next one is borrowing. Next, fund from operation. This is cash. And next, going out tax, interest, and dividend. Tax, income tax, direct tax, and indirect tax. This is the cash in first fixed asset. In this available in organization, institute, and any other department. This is available in cash. This situation is available in fixed asset. Okay, and next first is creditor for goods. Creditor for goods. This is the starting this side creditor for goods and finishing debtors for goods. So the first one is material. Okay, purchase of material and after that wages. Material in working process. This wages. And next one is expenses. Expenses means other expenses, laboring and covering and other. This is last in finishing good and next in debtors for goods. This is the circulation system of working capital. And next one is, show the next one. Type of working capital. Show the type of working capital. This makes possible stocking of finishing good by whose sales ethics account receivable are credited or cash in received. In this process, profit are generated. A part of the profit is used to pay tax, interest, and dividend, while the remaining part is plugged back in the bus. Show the type of working capital. Next point is type of working capital. Working capital. Show the type of working capital. Type of working. Two types of working capital on the basis of pre-deductivity and on the basis of concept. Two type of, this is a type of working capital. Working capital. basis of concept. On the basis of concept. This is a type of working capital. Show the two type of working capital. Main two type of working capital. First one is on the basis of periodicity and on the basis of concept. Okay. And next sub point on the basis of periodicity. In this sub point, permanent working capital. Show the permanent working capital. Permanent working capital. Permanent working capital. And next one, variable working capital. This variable working capital. Variable working capital. Variable working capital, and this side on the basis of concept. This side gross working capital and net working capital. Show the gross working capital. Gross working capital and net working capital. Gross working capital and net working capital. This permanent working capital in this regular working capital. This is these two types, regular working capital and reserve of margin working capital. Regular working capital. Regular working capital, and this side reserve of margin working capital. Margin working capital. And this variable capital, show the two types. Seasonal variable working capital. Seasonal variable working capital and special variable working capital. This is a type of working capital. Show the first one, main type of on the basis of periodicity and on the basis of concept. On the basis of concept, in this type, gross working capital and net working capital. Okay, and next one is on the basis of periodicity, permanent working capital and variable working capital. And permanent working capital in this regular working capital and reserve of margin working capital. And next one is variable working capital. This is a seasonal variable working capital and special working capital. This is a type of on the basis means on the situations of the working capital. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for all of you.